everybody, it's Dad. Oh, seriously, say it loud enough.
And Quincy.
And Quincy. It's finally finished.
Dun, dun, dun.
Now Mom can have one of her tables back. Anyways, so total thing took 13 hours and 53 minutes. Took about 3 hours less than the 17 hours I was thinking it would take. There were about 6 bags that took closer to a half an hour than an hour. Some took a little bit more. And this is what she thinks of the whole process because they were really bored watching me do it. But we will show you some of the details, and we hope you enjoyed watching the build. It was a fun build. It was a very hard build. There are long, very long build, very technical build, and this is something where you definitely don't pick it up other than how they showed you, which is from the bottom only, holding on to the plates. But we'll show you some of the things. All right, Quince, tell us who we have.
So we have C-3PO, Princess Leia, Han, Chewie, porgs, 2 of them, Finn, Rey, and
Old Han,
and BB-8.
And BB-8. And then the creature from the cave, or the monster that they flew in on the asteroid, which I don't think it's focused, I believe was called a Mynock.
Sorry.
Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that the array, this right here, is from the new movie, or the new sets of movies. However, you can take that off. Quince, do you want to take it off at the base? No, you got to grab the base. Okay. And then you can replace it with the old version of the array. So,
Did it?
not quite. So, sorry, I can't film and put this on at the same time.
Want me to film? On a whole camera.
Okay, put it on like that, and then you can actually adjust it to the right angle that you want. Then you have the Top Gun station, which can come straight up. Just lift it straight up, Quince.
Ha! It fell off.
And then you will see there's a seat for the gunner. We'll throw Han in there, even though he's holding his blaster. So he can fit right in there.
And have a rest.
Like that. The cockpit right here can come off, and you can put 2 pilots in there.
Ooh, 2 pilots can shoot at the same time?
Now the tricky part are these pieces on the top. So, the first thing you do, there's some double piece right there, just lift straight up, Quince.
Oh.
You can take that off.
I broke it.
And then you can take that part, pulls out. Oh, sorry, not focused. That just pulls out like that.
That's creepy.
And then in there, you see the game room. This one does the same thing. Okay, so you on this piece, you pull that off that way, and then this piece right there comes off. And those are the 2 areas that you can access. I think we've shown you these.
Wait, what did these do?
Before. They don't come off. Now we're going to have to kind of get in there and show you some other areas. So hold on a second.
What is this?
Okay, so this is the side view. This would be the right side of the ship. I can't remember if that's port or starboard. Anyways, the ramp comes down. Quincy, you want to pull it down?
Sure.
And then the other thing is right under here. Here, just push up the ramp. It'll be easier.
Okay.
Okay. Right under there, there's a little piece. Push the round piece.
Wait.
Right there. Hold on. Okay. You push that, and the little gun drops down. I don't know if you can even see it because of the lighting. There we go.
It's that little black thing.
So, that little gun drops down.
Close up.
And That's what it looks like from the backside. And look, there's a giant walrus that's going to eat everybody. Ah! One thing I thought I would mention is this set, they actually did short me one piece, a 1x6 plate in light gray that was used in here. So I had to steal one of Dannon's pink Legos to make it work for the time being. But hopefully that's on its way. We've ordered that, and if you don't know if your sets are ever missing pieces, you just get online. There's a link for missing pieces, and you just click on which one it is, and away you go. This one took a little while because there are so many parts. It took quite a while to find the right piece to order. But we know this was long and a lot of videos. We hope you enjoyed the process. It's super cool. Now we gotta find some place to display this because this was way too much of a pain to put together to just take apart. So we hope you enjoyed our videos, and we're gonna move on to some new stuff. We hope you'll subscribe, and we'll go from there. See you, everybody.